Too many lies have been told. It's time that you mean what you said. I'm sorry if I ever lied. If I did, it was only to make sure.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is me back with another video, and today I'm showing you guys how to add shakes. Okay, ignore my mic. How to add shakes and how to sync properly. My last video was for beginners. It wasn't the best effects at all, and now what I'm editing, and like I want to show you how to sync like the really good editors and have really good flow. So Control-Alt-T to bring up time wrap. I'm gonna go fast because yeah, just look at my other tutorial that goes way more, and there's like 37 minutes for like beginners if you guys are like wondering how to do something. So Control-Alt-T and like drag this to where you want it to start. That's how I do it. So let's see. So I want to do it right here, and you go to this next marker and do the curry slide. Let's do a curry slide right there. Now I'm gonna do this there. Then you go to here. You can even cut sync a bit if you want. I'm gonna cut sync it. Why not? Matter of fact, not that much. And then you just bring it here. Then you go to the 5th marker, and then you just time map it so he greens. And right when his feet completely touch the ground is where you want it to go. And then the next marker, you want the ball, so you time wrap it. The ball is completely in the hoop like that, but not, you don't want it. So what I showed in the last, like my last video, I was going like this because I don't know, I was kind of dumb back then, to be honest. Not even back then, I just learned some way more better tips. So yeah, don't do anything, just let it go into the hoop. So this marker right here should be just the ball going into the hoop. So highlight it, F9, go here, right, and you just want to go here, and we sync it. So it's very simple. This is how I sync it. I don't know if you guys have a different way that you like more. Go ahead, you can try it out. I don't know if I cut sync there. No, I didn't. It's a very small sync, but yeah, yeah, I sync like this, to be honest. I know. So yeah, so to move up, just click on these mountain things, or they could even like do this. But I just click on it. It's way easier. So yeah. By the way, if y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If my comments are off, because sometimes YouTube does that. It's not like I turn them off. It's just because YouTube is trash sometimes. So I ain't gonna lie. You just going over my other videos and just comment asking, or I'll leave my Twitter down in the description. Just DM me there. This is what you should have so far.
Too many lies have been told. It's time that you mean what you said. I'm sorry if I ever lied. If I did, it was.
So, what? Like, okay, so see how it slows down.
Sorry if I ever lied. If I.
So like,
if I did, it was only to make.
yeah. So we're gonna time wrap this last marker, right? So then you do the camera movement. I like doing it like right there or so, and do it like that. We're gonna play around with it. So see how that smooth camera movement. So yeah, so you Control-Shift-D deletes, because yeah, that's a very simple sync.
Too many lies have been told. It's time that you mean what you said. I'm sorry if I ever lied. If I did, it was only to make sure that.
So yeah. So now let's add a shake. To add shake is very simple. Control-Alt-Y, Control-Shift-D to delete. Oh, work. All right, apply animation preset, and go to your desktop, and then go to well, okay, I don't know why I'm explaining this to y'all. Y'all shouldn't be doing this. Okay, don't do that. But yeah, I have a preset for it. It's very simple to make it though. All right. Pretty much you're gonna have to copy my settings, but yeah. So keyframe the amplitude. By the way, to bring it down, I'm pressing U, and then go like what? Like how many frames did I put? Like wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 frames, and make it 0. It's that simple to make it if you want a very simple shape.
Too many lies have been.
But
too many lies have been told.
Yeah. Then Control-Shift-D, right? You could do like copy my tilt shake, Z shake. All of that. So I'm gonna scroll down, just pause, get all that. No, I'm saying. Okay, ignore my dog in the background. Control-D. bring this here.
Too many lies have been told. It's time that you knew what you
Kind of do the same thing. So yeah, I don't really like adding shakes on every beat, but why not do it?
Too many lies have been told. It's time that you knew what you said. I'm sorry if I.
But I mean, it doesn't look too nice. I mean, it's really up to y'all if you want to add it.
I'm sorry if I ever lied.
Why not add it? Yeah.
Sorry if I ever lied. If I did, it was.
Okay.
It was only to make sure.
Wait, no. Alright. Alright, so let's add a warp. So let's add a warp to find a point in which this is the beat where it goes in. So yes, I don't know, just find some good point. I'm gonna go like 3 frames away. So you can Control Y, Control Shift D. You add warp. Make this fisheye, or not rise, bro. Fisheye. Keyframe this. Make this 0. Go to the beat on which the ball goes in and make it -100, or you can just do this and make it -100. So click U to see so you can see the keyframes, and then go to a point in which like it's not fully turned around like this, but like maybe like here. Here is good. Make it like make it 0 again, and push it in like there. All right, and go here. Alright, so highlight these and click F9, go to your graph editor like this, and it's very simple. So do this. Alright, so make this warp look clean. So yeah, so first of all, you're gonna want to push this like here, there, and try pushing this in as much as possible, like there. You're gonna do the same thing. Alright, just like that. So now your warp should be hopefully looking cleaner. So yeah, that's how I make a warp. So like, go here, Control Shift D, you can do it now. So wherever you want our next clip to be. So yeah, so you had a warp. Let's do quick pan and crop. So to add pan and crop, I go to the here, and you go to transform, you go to position and scale. I started off like here and just make it down, position it like there, go to here, make sure it's not a cut sync, and reset both of these. Alright, and then you go here, and I might not even zoom in because it's a the beats are hella close to each other, so I might not. I just want to see what it looks like, to be honest. So here you reset it, and you do the same thing. Reset it here, and come here and just add keyframes, and zoom in again, position it right here. And then you would go to where the ball goes in, like here, and reset it. Because, yeah. Right? You don't have to do this because there's really no point. Alright, my bad, my dad was calling me. Alright, so you right click, edit speed graph. Make sure the rotation is not highlighted, so go here, shift, and make sure this on these. So now just put, okay, I don't know. Push this in and push this in. Only the first 2. Now you should have something looking like this.
Too many lies have been told. It's time that you knew what you said. I'm sorry if I ever lied. If I did, it was only to make sure that you.
So yeah, I'm gonna make like a whole series on how to make like different effects and whole different videos. I don't want one large 15-minute video, and I'm not gonna get many views. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.